It's a matter of abilities.
No
Listen.
way you got hiccups. No way you have hiccups right now.
Oh my god, what's up with this hostility?
Every time we play, you get hiccups within the first 30 minutes.
I still have bowel issues, Chica. It doesn't just go away after a year. What do you mean?
Okay.
No, I get hiccups when I'm stressed, and Fortnite is stressful.